Hello everyone, welcome back to revvgarage review. Today we are looking at the Honda CB350 RS, the sportier, scrambler-inspired sibling of the high-end CB350 and the CB350. CB350 segment is crowded, but the RS brings something different to the table, an edge. We've been spending some time with this sporty classic to see if it lives up to the hype. You are watching revvgarage review, let's dive in. The Honda CB350 RS was officially launched in India on February 16, 2021. This modern retro is sold exclusively through Honda's premium big wing dealerships. The Honda CB350 RS is manufactured in India by the Honda Motorcycle and Scooter India HMSI. While the HMSI operates multi-facilities across the country, the CB350 series is primarily produced at the Vittalpur plant in Gujarat and the Narsapur plant in Karnataka, exporting to its major international markets including Japan and Australia, where it is sold as CB350rs. We have seen steady evolutions from the 2023 OBD2 update to the latest 2025 integration featuring OBD2B compliances and fresh colors like matte access grey and rebel red metallic. The bike was launched with a 348cc single-cylinder engine, sharing its platform and mechanics with the high-end CB350 but featuring sportier ergonomics styling. Honda CB350 is a bike available in 2 variants and 6 colors. The Honda CB350 RS is produced and powered by 348.36cc BS6 engine. The ex-showroom price of the Honda CB350 RS in India typically starts at 2,14,000 and goes up to 2,19,000 depending on the city and the variant. Now let's move on to the features and specifications of the Honda CB350 RS. True to its RS road-selling name, it features blacked out components, an aluminium finished handlebar, and sportier ergonomics compared to the high-end CB350. The Honda CB350 RS offers circular LED headlamp setup, LED turn indicators, number plate holder, rounded mirrors for a classic look, shorter mudguard, telescopic suspension at the front with blacked out rubber forks covering the telescopic suspension and a small reflector at the front. Coming towards the brake size, the disc brake at the front comes with 310mm of disc with dual piston calipers from NIFIM. It comes with 100/90 19-inch tubeless tires from MRF. The front telescopic suspension cannot be adjusted. Honda CB350 RS weighs around 180 kg with 15 liters of fuel tank capacity with 3 liters of reserved fuel tank capacity with blacked out components including the exhaust system. At the rear, coming towards the disc brake, it comes with 240mm of disc brake with single piston calipers and NIFIM braking system. At the rear, the suspension comes with dual hydraulic suspension which can be adjusted 5 steps. Coming towards the rear tire section, it comes with 150/70 17-inch tubeless tires from MRF which is not radial tires. At the rear, you also get LED braking light, LED turn indicators, reflector and a number plate holder at the rear end. Moving on, it also comes with a sari guard and a designed sari guard with steel and plastic mix. Coming towards the chain sprocket of the bike, it comes with 14 tooth at the front and 35 tooth at the rear. Coming towards the chassis and frame of the bike, it features half duplex cradle frame made of steel pipe. It comes with foot pegs for rider and pillion comfort, chrome element at the engine, and side stand engine cutoff sensor. Now let's move to the accessories list of the Honda CB350 RS. Honda now offers custom accessories kit allowing you to transform the RS into a cafe racer or a dedicated tourer using the parts shared with the CB350 lineup. The latest model featured an updated seat pattern with improved cushioning for the better, longer distance riding. It comes with rear backrest support for the pillion comfort, side stand chrome. It comes with long windscreen, engine guard, knuckle guard and plenty more. Low beam, high beam, pass switch, toggle button, horn, indicator, engine kill switch, engine on, hazard light. Let's move on to the instrument cluster of the bike. It comes with semi-digital instrument cluster which shows average, range, trip 1, trip 2, battery and plenty more. By the switch which is given beside the instrument cluster, you can on and off the traction control of the bike. At the Honda CB350 RS side panel, you get OBD ports, batteries, ECU and much more. Now let's move on to the engine specifications of the bike. It comes with 348.36cc single cylinder air cooled 2-valve engine which produces max power at 20 bhp at 5500 rpm and max torque at 30 Nm at 3000 rpm. The top speed claimed is 150 km, mileage claimed is 35 kmpl. It comes with 5-speed manual transmission gearbox with assist and slipper clutch technology. The gear shifting pattern is 1 down and 4 up. It comes with riding range of 525 km with 15 liters of fuel tank capacity. It comes with no riding modes. The compression ratio is 9:5:1. It comes with emission standards of BS6 Phase 2B fuel type petrol. Now let's move on to the LED setup at the front. You get LED turn indicators, LED headlight, low beam, high beam, pass switch, LED indicator, hazard light. At the rear you get LED braking light, LED turn indicators with hazard light and a small reflector down. This is the ergonomic riding triangle for a 5.8 feet tall person with 800 mm of seat height. This is the ergonomic riding triangle for a person with 6.1 feet tall with 800 mm of seat height. This is the ergonomic riding triangle for a 6.3 feet tall person